Hey everyone! Welcome back to Behind the Barcode, where we uncover the truth about what's really in our food. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for your health and your wallet, the dirty dozen. That's right, we're talking about the top 12 foods you should always consider buying organic. So, grab a snack and let's get started. First off, what exactly is the Dirty Dozen? Each year, the Environmental Working Group, or EWG, releases a list of fruits and vegetables that are found to have the highest pesticide residues. These are the foods you definitely want to buy organic if you can. Why? Because pesticides can linger on the surface and potentially affect your health over time. But don't worry, I'll not only share this list with you, but also explain why these foods are on there and how you can make informed choices. Let's break it down. Starting off our list, we have strawberries. Strawberries are delicious, but they often top the list for pesticide residues. In fact, they can have over 20 different pesticides on them. Opting for organic strawberries not only helps reduce your exposure, but also supports sustainable farming practices. Coming in at number 2 is spinach. Spinach is a nutrient powerhouse packed with vitamins and minerals. However, it can carry a heavy pesticide load. Organic spinach is a great way to enjoy this leafy green without the worry of harmful chemicals. Third, we have kale, another leafy green that's great for you, but often contaminated. Kale is super trendy, but make sure to choose organic to avoid those pesticide residues. Nectarines take the number 4 spot. These sweet, juicy fruits can be a delightful snack, but they often contain pesticide residues. Choosing organic nectarines ensures you're enjoying them without the added chemicals. At number 5, we have apples, a popular snack for both kids and adults. Apples frequently top the list for pesticide use. In fact, they can have residues from over 40 different pesticides. Opting for organic apples is a smart choice for your health. 6th on the list, we have grapes, especially imported grapes, which can have higher pesticide levels. Organic grapes not only taste better, but also help you avoid those harmful chemicals. Rounding out number 7 are cherries. Tasty and often a summer favorite, cherries can be heavily treated with pesticides. Buying organic cherries means you can enjoy their sweetness without the worry of chemical residues. Next, at number 8, are peaches. Soft and sweet, peaches are another fruit that absorbs pesticides easily. Organic peaches are a delicious way to enjoy this summer staple while keeping your health in mind. Pears take the number 9 spot. Similar to apples, pears can carry pesticide residues. Choosing organic pears ensures you're getting a healthy snack without the added chemicals. At number 10, we have tomatoes. A staple in many diets, tomatoes can be heavily sprayed with pesticides. Organic tomatoes not only taste better, but also provide peace of mind when it comes to your health. Next, we have celery. Crunchy and refreshing, celery is often contaminated with pesticides. Organic celery is a great choice for those looking to add a healthy crunch to their meals without the chemicals. Lastly, are potatoes. A beloved comfort food, potatoes can have a significant pesticide load. Opting for organic potatoes is a simple way to enjoy this versatile vegetable without the added chemicals. Now that we've covered the Dirty Dozen, let's talk about why buying organic is important. Organic farming practices are designed to reduce pollution and conserve water and soil quality. By choosing organic, you're not only protecting your health, but also supporting sustainable agriculture. Additionally, organic foods are often fresher because they don't contain preservatives that make them last longer on the shelf. This means you're likely getting produce that's been harvested more recently, which can enhance flavor and nutritional value. Moreover, buying organic supports farmers who prioritize sustainable practices and animal welfare. It's a way to vote with your dollar for a healthier planet and a healthier you. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips for buying organic. 1. Shop local. Check out your local farmers markets. You can often find organic produce at competitive prices, and you're supporting local farmers. 2. Buy in season. Organic fruits and vegetables that are in season are usually more affordable and taste better. 3. Prioritize. If you can't buy everything organic, focus on the Dirty Dozen and prioritize those items. 4. Look for certifications. When shopping, look for the USDA organic seal to ensure you're getting genuine organic products. Thanks for joining me today on this journey through the Dirty Dozen. Remember, making informed choices about what you eat can have a big impact on your health and the environment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content and share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your favorite organic food? Until next time, stay healthy and always look behind the barcode.